Well, I tried my hand at growing a bunch of different flowers last year from seed. They provided a crap ton of beneficials that were buzzing around my garden. I want to share with you the ones I'm going to regrow, the ones that I'm on the fence with, because they did some stuff that I wasn't actually expecting. All of them take 75 to 90 days until they bloom. Zinnias. I have so many different variety of these. These were amazing, fun. I did a bunch of cut flowers and I have fresh cut flowers in my garden the entire season. As most of you probably expect, cosmos. These were so beautiful. I mean, they were dainty petals. They really didn't need much fussing. I had tons of zinnias and cosmos in my home. So these I'm definitely doing. All of the colors, give them to me. These two I actually didn't expect. I love Queen's Anne's lace. I love doing arrangements with them. This was my first time growing them and they took up a lot of space. Enormous. So you have to have the space for this. And the second one was Apples of Peru. I really like having neutral colors in my home. I love fresh flowers throughout my home all season long. I wanted to plant this for that. This is like a mini shrub. It actually overcrowded my rose shrubs. This is a shrub. Okay, so be prepared if you want to plant these. That is about it for the flowers that I plan to grow and those that I'm not too hot about. I will buy them in the flower store.